My dream house is finally done. Now this has been 2 years in the making and this thing is monstrous. We've worked really hard on this home, and the last time we showed it to you guys, it was actually barely even done. There was just drywall put up, there wasn't any floors, no light fixtures, nothing. Now it is totally done and it looks incredible. In fact, there was one thing, and in the last video I mentioned that we were actually gonna probably sell it. I don't think that's gonna happen now. There was one feature that really sold me on this home that I have to show you guys. Once I saw it, I'm like, I really wanna keep this house, come on. Okay, first we're gonna start on the lower right wing, and that's where we're gonna house a family that might wanna stay. Follow me. So when I said the house was totally done, I meant it was 99% done. However, there's really only a few mirrors missing and tiny little touches here and there. This is my office, and I mentioned that because you can see some boxes in here. That's our first piece of furniture, folks, too. That's my sit-in chair. Light fixture, beautiful. Probably will turn into a bedroom because I don't usually work from the office. I was trying to figure this one out. Any ideas, Rob?
I don't think it's hooked up.
Well, this is the elevator, and it is totally installed. It is the first home I've ever owned with an elevator. And I am excited to try it out, even though I kind of am freaked out by elevators because I'm slightly claustrophobic, so I'll probably never go in it. Smells fresh in there. This is my garage. We are actually gonna be utilizing these. We're gonna put them to good use. I just ordered a Mercedes Sprinter van. Those of you that are new to the channel, my goal is to open this house to friends, family, and really anybody that wants to come and spend time here. We love showing people a good time, and we love filling the house full of good people. So the goal is to have a lot of people over, and Mercedes Sprinter van will help haul a bunch of people around. Hoping to get an Escalade V Series so I can ship my other Escalade down here. And then I think my wife wants the Tesla to stay down here. Bedroom number 1. Stuck with hardwood downstairs. Hardwood just looks a lot cleaner, a lot better. You can see beautiful tile in the bathroom. Nice brass/gold finishes throughout the bathroom. Great coloring. Our designer did really well. Boing. By the way, Robert Russell Designs, he builds awesome tables like the one in my actual Illinois home tour that I did. And if you guys need an epoxy table, it is, what is the website? RobertRussellDesigns.com?
RobertRussellDesigns.com.
Yes, and you're gonna build me like 12 tables, right?
Yes.
All right, cool. Wait till you see the outside lanai area. I think it's gonna be bigger than the one in the other side. All right, bedroom number 2. Very similar to the last one, open, hardwood. Bathroom's a little bit different on this one, less brass. Not a brown vanity, we did a dark blue. The goal was not to just replicate every single bedroom. We wanted to make them slightly different, but still make them look very fresh and contemporary, I guess. We also like that kind of beachy, coastal theme mixed with contemporary. Bedroom number 3, basically the same. Bathroom yet again, now we went from brown, dark blue to black with some nickel. Very nice. And then the master bedroom. Now the goal was to have like 4 to 5 different families staying in here, so we kind of segmented the house accordingly so everyone could have their privacy. This one has a his and hers closet. Surprisingly, they're both about the same size. Usually the women get a much larger closet. Wait till you see the size of the closet in my master bedroom. It is the biggest closet. The bathroom and the closet are bigger than like 3 of the bedrooms in this house. It's crazy. So master bedroom number 1, bedroom number 4 in the house. If we count the office as a bedroom, that's bedroom number 5. Now the 3 master suites, we have 3 master bedrooms in this house. All of them have really nice big bathrooms. As I mentioned, my bathroom is way bigger. You can see we're missing the mirror in here, but I think some of those boxes in my office were actually mirrors, so those might be coming up really soon. But really nice marble countertop. I think that's Carrera marble. White cabinets, huge shower. Last time we walked you through this, it had clear windows, which was whack because there are homes right through these windows. So if you're showering and you're butt naked, you're exposing yourself to the world. However, they've now frosted the windows. We had a home about 5 years down here in Windermere, and it was a kind of cookie cutter, and they had a huge shower in it, and that's what kind of sold me in the big showers. It's just awesome having this big wide open area to be able to shower. And then the bathtub, kind of within the shower area. Now we enter into the left wing, which is gonna have kitchen. There's actually a sauna, gym, several bars throughout this house. This is one of the cooler wings of the house. That one in the right wing was actually an open area for the game room. We got to figure it out. Let's not forget the other garage now. We've got at least 3 cars coming here. Wait, that's not a garage. All right, that is a carpeted area under the stairs for closet drinking.
He thought that was the
closet drinking.
He thought that was the garage.
I dead ass thought I was opening that up into the garage. Oh, let me show you the sliding doors. A few people that have walked through, this is their favorite part. Oh, so this was a huge, important part of me when building the house. I wanted the front entryway to lead directly into the... Anyway, I wanted the front entryway to lead directly into the outside so you can see this big, massive pool that's like a perfect T-shape. Such a cool view when you walk into the house. Back to the left wing. Part of what inspired me to build this big home, besides being able to kind of serve friends, family, and others, was I looked at a home that was for sale in this community that was about the same size, and it had a monster table. Like, remember when I showed you that table? I think it seated 20 people, and I'm like, how cool would that be to just sit at this big table with your entire family? And so that was kind of the thought process behind this actual dining area. I don't know, how big of a table can you build for this?
22 feet.
22 feet, and that will seat how many?
20.
That'll seat about 20 people? All right. Well, that'd be kind of cool. That'd be incredible. Maybe we'll do the Hamilton Collection logo in it with epoxy or something like that. But Rob can do anything. By the way, I call him Bob, Rob, Robert. Call him anything, just don't call him late for dinner. Kitchen, dual center islands. I do want to note that my wife did a lot of the design work with the designer. She did a lot of the architectural work. We just got to give her props. 2 huge center islands because she loves to cook, she loves to prepare. Whenever we have all the guys trips out of here and we have people over here, we like to make dinner for everybody. Homemade pasta, barbecue, whatever it may be, and these will come in handy. Refrigerator, voila. They're seamless, you can't even see. Oh, we did the same refrigerator setup that we have in Illinois where you got 2 bottom freezers, top refrigerator, then you have another one right here. Yep, and then 2 freezers there. Very nice. A whole hell of a lot of cabinets. Ooh, nice drawers, look at that. Let's see if they got the slow touch. Oh, they do, that's pretty. Unlike our last Florida home, that is actually right down the street from this, I cheaped out on a few features and I ended up paying for it. Like I bought a Gen Air range at the last house and I think it broke, I don't know, 12 times. This time we just stuck with the high quality Wolf range. Awesome vent hood here. Just good quality appliances so that we didn't have any problems along the way. And this of course has the super cool big griddle for cooking breakfasts. This is the massive pantry area. My wife wanted the pantry right off the garage because a lot of times you come in with all these groceries and then they need to get put away in here, if not in all of those cabinets. So great pantry with another prep station and sink. Apparently we have a espresso and coffee machine maker. Very cool. I hope it makes hot chocolate. I don't drink coffee, but hot chocolate all day long. This is a
Microwave.
Oh.
That's what we call a microwave, Steve.
How do you? I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. All right, that's a microwave. I'm learning things as I go.
I'm glad I'm here for you, Steve.
This is something that I learned about. It's called a scullery. So apparently when you build a really big house, there are a lot of people that like to hide the staff away as the staff prepares. I'm not all about that. I would absolutely have everybody out and working about. But I always think resale minded whenever I build a home. So we made sure that we built this so that if anybody ever buys this in the future, they can have their staff kitchen. So believe it or not, this is almost like number 3 prep area, kitchen, mudroom / pantry, and then this. So there's a cooking range here, another sink. Oh, wow. I have not even walked this house since it's been forever. Yeah. A double oven.
These are ovens, Steve.
Yes, that I got. And then we got another refrigerator. This is like a bigger kitchen than a studio apartment. So if that was the dining room, this is the living room. This is where we'll have the TV mounted up on the wall. Quick access to the lanai, just like my last house. One of the coolest features of all is this massive bar. This is one of at least 3 bars that we have in this home. This is the most monstrous one, that's what she said. And the windows actually all slide out. Boom, so if someone's out on the lanai or enjoying the pool, here's your Mai Tai. In my case, here's your hot chocolate, and good to go. Funny story, one time I got a hot chocolate at Animal Kingdom on a 98-degree day. Drank that thing in like 12 seconds, overheated for 30 minutes straight. It was very, very bad. I was like leaning my head under this waterfall that they had outside of this play area for kids. It was bad. Don't do that, kids. You can get lost in this place. Bathroom, very oaky finish with some chrome. We had chrome, nickel, black, bronze hardware already. I love differentiating and mixing it up so everything is not the same. Dude. And this is one of 2 laundry rooms. I was big on this because when you're housing 20, this house will actually fit maybe 30 plus people when really full. And you will need some laundry power to be able to do that. So this is one of 2 laundry rooms. And the cool thing is that it's connected to, if I remember, yes, this is pool storage. So theoretically someone could come in off the pool, throw their towels in there, hit the bathroom up. There's another bathroom accessible. Hey, that didn't go off. Probably should get that fixed. Super neat feature that I did at my last house, except I cheaped out at my last house so it's falling apart, was the pull down movie screen. While that's coming down, this is probably the biggest lanai I have seen in my entire life. I think that you could actually put probably 12 tables out here and fit like the city of Kissimmee inside of this lanai. This is ultimately what sold me. So it wasn't necessarily the lanai, it was the combination of the pool cage. When I saw the massiveness of this, that's what she said, I was absolutely in love with it. Like look at this pool cage. It's crazy how huge this area is. It's kind of private too. And I'm not necessarily a private guy, but it feels really neat that you just have like this cove, this area here where you can just sit work, enjoy, do whatever, park a car. We should try to fit a car under here. Go play in the pool. Hey, look what's down. That's also what she said. That screen is down now. So huge kind of seating area that you can go watch a movie outside, which is really great in this because this huge cage prevents, you can see a lizard on the outside of it, but the huge cage prevents bugs from getting in here. And that was a problem we had with the other home. It wasn't overly buggy, but some nights it really, really was. You'd be sitting in the hot tub getting eaten alive. This cage will prevent that completely. You can sit out and enjoy a movie. While you're outside watching a movie, you can check out this awesome kitchen area down here. It's a sunken bar. Now the really cool thing about this, follow me, Mr. Anthony. I'm seeing all this for the first time. This is such a neat cabinet finish too. Like this is probably a pull-out freezer. I might need to get Bob to help me tell me what the appliances are. Just kidding. Pull-out freezer. That's a refrigerator. There's an ice maker, right? Gotta have the ice maker, yep. Oh, it's a U-line one. We had so many problems with our other one. Those things are notorious. Waterworks, and then this badass grill. Side note, wow, a rotisserie spit. Side note, I'm not big on grilling, I'm learning, but we've got great people like Bob to help me grill and figure things out. And then the really cool feature while I brought you down here was bar number 2 so far. This oversees, there's 3 pool benches right here, and this kind of is an area where you can go prepare drinks and then hand it, or food actually, drinks or food, and hand it over to the person that's sitting there. We're not done with the first floor yet. One of the coolest rooms. This is called the room I may never use, but may frequently use, who knows? Dude, this came together nice. This is a gym that I will probably put equipment in just because it's gonna look really cool, and there will be people that come and wanna work out. I will not be one of those people. I save that for when I'm home, when I'm on vacation. It's all about stuffing my fat face full of food. Another cool feature about this property is that it backs up to a wildlife preserve, so we'll always be quiet, and I don't think this area can be developed behind us. So really, really neat, to be quiet and kind of a beautiful scenery. This is probably the true official pool bathroom right here. That's big, like this is unnecessarily big. Another, that's what she said, we got lots of those. Great backsplash tile in here with some neat color. The bronze, I'm a huge fan of the bronze. I'm sure that that's gonna be, I didn't say LeBron, I said the bronze. Huge fan of that. I think that that's one of those things that'll be dated in the next 5 years, but right now it looks really, really fantastic. And the bronze shower as well. Toilet. And then the sauna. Let's see if it smells woody. That's kind of cool. I've never owned a home with a sauna. Let's go to second floor. I want you to see my master bedroom. I'm so excited to be able to see it in its finished stage. You can see it with me for the first time. I was sent a picture of the theater and I really dislike what they did on the inside. I'm gonna show you what it is, but look at the size of the back wall and look at the screen that they put in here. This thing looks stupid. I'm gonna text the guy for that because it's so small, like, what are you thinking, guy? This is a huge theater, and we use our theater in the other home a lot. Really good area to veg out. The kids actually sleep in the theater because it's so quiet, dark, and comfy. So that's gonna need to get fixed. I like the countertop. We don't have one of these in the last one. It's really, really nice touch. I think this is like another kind of lounge game area. Maybe we'll put a pool table up here. The kids really get into pool. It keeps them busy for hours on end, so. And now we enter the left wing of the upstairs. So we got a lot of bedrooms on this side and some really neat bedrooms too. Bedroom number 1, these are gonna be bunk rooms to house a bunch of the kids. They all like hanging out together. Once we're actually moved into here, we're gonna have some built-ins done right here with the bunks and the kids can do as they please. The bathrooms are huge to accommodate a bunch of kids too. Big closet for their stuff, big wide bathroom. Okay, the shower's not as big as the master bedrooms, but it's still pretty decent. It works. Kids bunk room number 2, maybe this is like the girls bunk room. Open closet. This has got the big bathroom, so then they need a little bit more space to do their stuff. So this is gonna be the ideal bathroom for them. Big freaking shower. Nice, like the rain shower. I'm slightly lost. Here we go. This was supposed to be a hidden room, but we ended up turning it into just a non-hidden room. We were actually gonna build like a built-in bookshelf here that slid. Maybe we'll do that later. It is just another kind of mini bedroom or hangout area with a closet. Yeah, it's a bedroom. This is for the kids that are in trouble. Upstairs loft, floor number 3. This was built to be able to actually see fireworks from Disney World. We're close enough where if you kind of sit and hang out up here, it's built for like one lone chair. So for the guy that's just kind of feeling down on himself, depressed, plop a chair right here and you could see the fireworks above the tree line outside of this window. That is 7 bedrooms, 8 if you count the office. Up this way, this is a big boy master bedroom. Not the main master, but the second biggest of all of them. Check this bathroom out. This home just smells so new too. Huge shower, beautiful fixtures. A urinal, yes. The patented Hamilton urinal that saves water and just makes it easier on the boys for peeing. These fixtures I'm not a huge fan of. That's okay though. The vast majority of the home is really coming together really nice. I love the double door, the more grand entrance. That would be bedroom 8/9 if you count the office. This is the second floor lanai / patio area. We'll cut through it. Come on through. See, we're saving like 6 steps by walking out here. What a view. All right, bedroom number 9/10. I'm like, does it not have its own bathroom? It does. Oh, neat. It's like a 3D tile effect with a very different countertop. Like an opaque gray, some cool chrome handles, nice. It's so cool seeing it all come together. How you doing, you exploring, Bob?
Yeah.
Very nice. What do they call this area? I think the Sky Terrace. The goal is just to have some seating so you can outlook over the big massive pool. You can also kind of see over the community. At the golf, you can see people are golfing right now at the golf course. Really neat view. I hope nobody ever buys and develops on that lot. You kind of have very contrasting sides with golf homes, forestry, overlooking a perfectly centered view on the pool. Bar number 3, for whatever reason, we've always made really cool laundry rooms. Like, look at these cabinets. They're freaking blue and beautiful countertops, black sink. I don't know, it's so warm and welcoming, the laundry room. And then 4 more units. So we have 4 laundry machines or washers and 4 dryers that can be running at the same time. Cool, powder room. This is something that we forgot in our primary Illinois houses. We don't have an upstairs powder room, so you have to go into one of the kids' bedrooms. We got it covered here. Hey, look, they're like little wheels. All right. Sweet. Is there a urinal? Ooh, bedroom here. Typical bedroom. So I think we're on like potentially 11. I've lost count. Oh, the pink bedroom. This will be Ava's room. Dude, it's got rose gold. We have every color spectrum of fixtures that you can have. Look at how cool that is. That looks pretty. This was supposed to be a hidden area in my wife's closet for her to glug glug when the children are screaming. But for whatever reason, we ended up giving it to Ava. Maybe so she'll get out of our hair here and there, even though I love her dearly. 12-ish bedrooms so far? I don't know. Somehow we worked our way to the, I think, lucky number 13 bedroom, maybe 12, maybe 11. Somewhere between 11 and 13. 16 bathrooms maybe? I need to poop in every one before we leave. The main master bedroom where my wife and I will have sexual relations, just like the home in Wheaton. There will be lots of sex head in here. Lots and lots and lots of sex. No more kids though. I'm done with kids. Teeny tiny little balcony. Don't know what the exact point of this was. Maybe to yell, kids, we're gonna have, no, never mind. Kids, don't come up here for about 2 minutes, if you know what I'm saying. No, that's generous. It's like 30 seconds. This is the more robust balcony. I don't think I like the gray. I thought we were doing like a tile out here. We should fix that. That's okay. But another cool, it's also hot out here. It feels like it's 90 degrees. Another cool overlook into the pool, backyard, expansive area. This is one of the few views where you can actually see the full panoramic of the awesome greenery out there. I have to show you all the bathroom now. It's crazy. I don't know how I feel about the tile in the bathroom. I remember seeing it. I don't know how I feel about it. Let me know what you think. Does it look too whack? Like that tile, that's the biggest shower I've ever seen in my life, first of all. It's huge. Great double drains. The goal of that was actually just so 2 people can shower at once. So when my wife and I are done with 30 seconds of bliss, we can both hop in the shower, separate showers at the same time. She'll be disappointed. I'll be feeling great. This is why they watch us, folks. This is why they watch us. Still need some mirrors, but awesome, that beachy, oaky wood, chrome fixtures. I don't know what's gonna go in the middle of this, but we're gonna need to fill this with something. And then the bath that I'm maybe gonna fit into. I like taking a bath here and there. I think we only did 1 potty, which perplexes me because I'd rather have 2 separate potties than 2 separate showers, but whatever, it is what it is. And then the big boy closet. This is like, to me, this is huge. This is just huge. Too many, that's what she says, but woo, no slow close? Ooh, no slow close. We should work on that. Let me see if these have it. That's a little harsh. That's okay. Are these like laundry things? Oh, cool. They think of everything, don't they? Wang. So we got the gym, the sauna, 13 some odd rooms, 16 some odd bathrooms, theater, bar, actually 3 bars, pool, a lot of really awesome stuff. And again, I've worked super hard in my life. I want to make sure everyone understands that there's a lot of work put into this. This is certainly not daddy's money by any means. Every single thing I have in my life is something that I have worked for with a awesome supporting wife behind me. And you know what? I genuinely wish the best for all of you. I hope that one day you can build the home of your dreams, own the cars of your dreams, and as long as you put the work in, it is something that you can definitely do. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and always subscribe. Thank you.